Hey, what's up everybody, my name's Gearshift and this is a bike check on the Collective Bikes C2. Brand new, just unboxed it, put a few parts on of mine, and yeah, let's get right into the review. I'm going to start at the tyres. They are 27.5 by 3 inch, well 2.8, I mean nearly 3 inch. Very good tyres, very good for swerves. Very good for swerves. This is the best bike that I've had for swerving. So really sharp, really, you can get some really deep swerves. Just if you put pegs on it, obviously it's going to make it wider. So be careful when you're swerving your cars. Right, now the wheels. Wheels, they are 27.5, and these spokes, I believe they're aluminium maybe. And you got golden spoke nipples, so that's they pop out when you're in the shade somewhere and there's a little bit of light. It really pops out the gold and it looks really nice. Now hub, I don't know what the hub is, but it's very good, very strong. And I've also taken the front brake off on front disc so that it just adds weight and there's no point when you're doing wheelies. So that's the bracket for the brake. You can fit XT, XTR, anything you want on there. When it comes with it. Now we move up. So forks are rigid, solid chromoly forks. Chromoly is really good. Most BMXs have them, so very strong and durable. Then headset, integrated compressed headset. Don't really know much about headsets, but you got the nice Collective logo there, very nice. Moving up, you got this very nice stem. This may be a Collective stem, maybe a custom one by Collective, but anyway, it's really nice, holds onto the bars very tight, and if you tighten it correctly. If you have any problems with it, you can always just sand the inside of there. What it'll do is it will make it so it grips onto the handlebars better. Now bars, most people don't really like the bars. I love the bars. I actually think they're really good, perfect size. They're lower in the picture, they do. So they're very comfortable. The rise I believe is something like 20, something like that. Okay, now grips. Grips are the C100 grips, very good, very comfortable. May change these to ODIs when they wear down a bit, but other than that they're really comfortable. You've got a nice little pattern there, very nice. Now brakes, this originally came with Dior brakes. This is Dior XD, this is what I've added, very good brake. Not much movement. People don't really like when it's not much movement because of the power of the brakes, but I quite like it. Very good brakes. Not saying the Dior are bad brakes, they are very good brakes. It's just that I had these laying around and I thought I might as well put them on. They're really comfortable. So yeah, it does come with a 180mm rotor at front, so massive, good stopping power with the front brake, which would be this one, but I've taken it off. Right, now moving down, the frame. Frame is very nice, as you can see. Got on chain there. And yeah, you have extra support up here. They've welded it on. It's even got the Collective logo on it. I believe it has the Collective logo on the bottom. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. And oh yeah, spacers, not carbon fibre, but just regular metal spacers, very nice. Yeah, that just gives it extra support when you keep landing your wheelies. You're dropping the wheel, makes it so it's very strong, very durable, won't snap or anything. So yeah, right, let's move down. Okay, seat comes stock with a Collective bike seat. This for some reason this is very, very soft out the box. I don't know why, but it just is very, very soft, as you can see there. But when you usually buy them, they're really stiff, so I don't know, but it looks very nice. I might change it to a little Harry though. Then moving down, quick release, very handy. Moving down again, got the C2 there. Then cranks, Z cranks with a front Z chainring. I think that's how many teeth it has, 34, so quite a really good size. You'd think it'd be really difficult to pedal uphill, but it's not. Yeah, got some more support in there, just there to help you out. Then chain is a KMC golden chain. You can buy these on eBay for around £50, and these come stock with the bike, so very nice. Again, golden spoke nipples, very nice. Then these pegs, I've put these on. They're very heavy. They're steel. I wish I had aluminium. I might get them in future. It's got an automatic chain retentioning tool, well, add-on, so you can just, so your chain's not very slack all the time. Hub sounds very, very nice, as I'll show you in a minute. Right, rear brake obviously comes with Dior, not XT, does not come with XT, and comes with a 160mm rear disc, which is very nice. Normal, that's what you mostly find on budget mountain bikes, so very nice. And hub, again, the bottom bracket is Shimano Holotech 2, very nice, but the only problem with it is you need a special tool to take it off. That's literally the only problem. And hollow, so Holotech, very nice. The hub, very loud, very responsive, very nice. And that is a complete bike check on the C2 collective bikes. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.